In this video, I'll teach you how to use Spotify Blend. If you don't know yet, Spotify Blend is a way that you can share a particular playlist. To create a blend on Spotify, open up the app of Spotify, tap on the search bar on the bottom, and then in the search bar, search for blend. Once you do, you'll see this green icon which says blend. You can just tap on this option, scroll down and tap on create a blend. It says right here, invite up to 10 friends to blend, a shared playlist that gives you social recommendations based on your music taste. Now, once you invite some people to this blend playlist, Spotify will automatically add in music based upon your listing activity. So, based upon a few people that you add in to this particular blend, Spotify will automatically add in songs. So, to invite and create a blend, tap on invite, and you can share this invite link through any platform. You can scroll through and pick the platform that you want to share through. And once the other person joins the particular link that you shared, a blend will be created. So that's how you use a Spotify blend. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for more future videos.